Hi y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm just bringing you guys a little video which is not too long. Hold on a second. I just realized that I had like a the music background like playing like while I was like trying to explain what I'm doing today. So I have to cut it out and just record another one because it's gonna be a copyright for my YouTube. So YouTube gonna take out just put down my video if I just put it like with the background with music. It's gonna claim like it's copyright. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me to the gym, and I have friends waiting for me there to work out together. We create like a team so we can work together to be motivated, because sometimes when you work like as a team, you maybe you miss something, you don't do well, so we just help like each other. So the gym is really good for you, for your health, to stay healthy, to so you have to go to the gym. I go to the gym every day, so it's really good. So today it's legs day, and I'm not ready. I hate legs day so much because it's really like really hurts when you do leg day. So I'm gonna bring you guys with me, meet my friends and me. So yeah, let's go with me, guys. Bye, see you there. Okay, so right here, this is Jessica. We were like doing goblet squat, which is the worst part of the workout. We usually like to 85 pound, like 50 to 85 pound. Like it's really hard when you do goblet squat. So this is Jessica was doing like first, and I was like filming. I love to film them. she's a good girl. So much. She's there. Oh no. If you wonder why I'm not working out, I am, but they just want me to film because I'm good at camera. So that's why I'm filming them.
C'est
D'ailleurs,
comme ça, au naturel. Au naturel, il dit ça.
Amérique le dit ça.
Il y a pas d'attention.
On va faire tout l'argent.
Quand tu as la petite gomme, si tu me dis, pourquoi me ça fait, là, je vais en gros, là. Je vais vous chien là.
Ou ka dil sa?
Non, au moins, je vais base moi.
E ou di wap di ti gen mounen sa?
Si bay manger, moi, côté moi, je vais manger ça, ou bien dire.
Qui est-ce tout ça?
Ou bien, n'a pas si bay manger, bien manger,
Ou pa konan ti ra di sa? E ben, nan baye manje, ap joun baye manje?
non, bay, côté acheter, bay,
Ou men maket la? A men non pou manje kom.
c'est pas peine dame non, qu'a fait fiche.
Ou di gangou? Hi.
Hi.
Good to see you.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yes, we were at the hardware store, and there was the line and
Oh,
Visa.
yeah, it's a lot.
This is my friend.
Oh, hi. Hi, I'm good, how are you?
Her son is married to Caroline's sister.
Okay.
Oh, petite li marié avec ou kon Caroline?
Caroline.
Ça, li marié avec une nan.
Okay, this is all we've done. And I think I don't know if you can get it all in or not. Caroline said Mono had a friend that here that
Yes.
delivered.
We already talked to him.
So he'll do it?
Yes,
So
he'll
he
do
can
it.
go ahead and get the bathroom stuff?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Beds, that. You know, Caroline has three more girls living with her.
Il gen 3 lot ti fi ki rete avel.
Oh, okay.
So
It's a lot.
it's a lot. But, okay, next, let me ask you this. Our stove is,
Fou.
yeah, is falling apart.
Fou a tankou li.
So I found a grill that can be gas. I'll show you a picture.
Okay.
Gas or charcoal, which would, but it's very reasonable. It's a very good price. See,
Li
it's
bon,
got
pou ya bon pil.
See, it's got that. But I don't know if they have one in a box. I didn't ask, so I don't know if they can take
Oh,
the
so they're
bottom
not gonna
off.
sell this one.
I don't know. I didn't ask because I
okay.
wanted to come here and see.
Right. Maybe we
So-
should ask to see.
Yeah, we can do that. I'm not the best person, you know. I'm just trying to get what they need without
Right.
going any more in the hole. I've already taken out a loan to get, because things are just so
Yeah.
I'm sorry. So this is the middle of the road.
¿Se puede acostar?
They're always hard to live with.
Aquí.
Pero para ellos es porque
Un ministerio.
Est-ce que blab di nou nan manje? Bon di gangou, de pa we sa pou da fe.
You don't have this.
Mira, tengo ese, todo bien disponible en tamaño
And they come in any size. You know, full, queen, whatever. She said she don't have Christmas.
Scusa, non come tu mi ha detto. Huh?
No, ils sont.
Okay, we'll figure it out. All right. She has issues with a line where she says like she likes to sleep on her side. So which one would be better for sleeping on your side?